How to use Fidelity Active Trader Pro. First, go to Trader Pro website and log into your account with username and password. Easy to use. Intuitive toolbar was created directly from customer feedback. It allows you to access tools within the platform as well as directly link to features available on fidelity.com. Select Trade and Orders by clicking on the menu option. To view order status, select Orders. Click on News and Research and choose one of several research categories, including stocks, markets and sectors, an economic calendar, and more. For easy, one-click access to critical trading and monitoring functionality, view the shortcuts menu located in the top left of the toolbar menu. Simply click to view the trade, order status, quote, or notebook features. Open and view multiple tools simultaneously and create layouts that can be tailored to meet the most simple to robust layout needs. To help you get started, we created a handful of predefined layouts, each with a focus around a trader's needs. And since not every trader is alike, you can tweak each predefined layout or create your own. That's it. Thanks for watching.